Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the online review company Yelp. They are hiring a user operations associate support. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, and this is completely non-phone email support. We are going to dive on in. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, are in the YouTube description box below this video. Yelp is looking for support associates to provide email-based support to Yelp's community of users, as well as business owners that have businesses that are being reviewed on Yelp. Their main goal is to always thoroughly resolve any issues in a timely manner while still being helpful and friendly. So they are looking for somebody to provide email-based support to Yelp's customer base. You will resolve all types of cases and inquiries through high attention to detail while meeting quality and quota targets. So you will have so many emails a day that is set by them that you'll have to answer. You'll also provide feedback to your managers on possible improvements of the process. If you notice things that are not working, you can take that to your manager. You'll craft messaging that is tailored to the end user audience for internal and external communications. So this sounds like they're not going to give you any kind of pre-made templates or scripts. You're going to have to completely craft the email start to finish based on the customer's needs. Now, if that sounds like something for you, they're giving you benefits effective your very first day. They're 100% paying for your full medical, vision, dental. They give you paid time off in 401k, health savings account, all the things. Now, they are paying $40,000 a year for this job. It says you may be offered a bonus on top of that. Unfortunately, they do say you need to have some kind of a bachelor degree, but it seems like it can be in any field. They don't specify that it has to be in any specific field. They're looking for somebody who has at least 1 year of work experience, someone who is open to that productivity-driven environment, someone who can be a positive, team-oriented person. Of course, you have to have strong attention to detail and great computer skills. All right, I always try to make these job leads as helpful as I can by getting straight into them, leaving the links directly in the YouTube box without having you have to go to a different website. But if you have any other suggestions of things I could do differently, things I could do better to make these more helpful to you, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.